Welcome to Investor Web, your go-to hub for all things career, finance, and future opportunities. Here we delve into the world of job markets, investment opportunities, and financial advice, offering you a wealth of knowledge to navigate your career and financial journey. The future is a complex tapestry of trends and innovations, and staying informed is key. Whether you're just starting out, looking for a change in direction, or seeking to future-proof your career, understanding the evolving job landscape is crucial. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the face of work, and it's essential to know which roles will stand the test of time. So, let's keep our fingers on the pulse of the future together. In today's video, we will be exploring 10 jobs that will thrive in the future despite the rise of artificial intelligence. First on our list is the role of a cybersecurity expert. In an era where digital platforms are expanding at an unprecedented rate, the need for individuals skilled in protecting these platforms is also skyrocketing. Cybersecurity experts are the gatekeepers of the digital world, tasked with defending sensitive information from hackers and cyber threats. Despite the rise of artificial intelligence, it's important to note that AI has its limitations in this field. While AI can certainly aid in identifying potential threats, it lacks the human insight and intuition required to fully understand and predict complex cyber attacks. Moreover, AI itself can be a cybersecurity risk, as it can be manipulated by malicious entities. Hence, the need for human oversight and expertise in managing these risks is critical. The digital landscape is vast and ever-changing, and the role of a cybersecurity expert is one that evolves with it. Thus, cybersecurity experts will continue to be in high demand despite advances in AI. Next up, we have mental health professionals. As we journey into the future, the importance of mental health is becoming more and more recognized. The stigma that once cloaked the domain of mental well-being is steadily being lifted, and with this comes an increased demand for professionals in the field. You see, the human mind is a complex entity, a labyrinth of emotions, thoughts, and experiences. It is this very complexity that makes the role of mental health professionals irreplaceable by artificial intelligence. AI, as brilliant as it may be, lacks the ability to empathize, to truly understand the nuances of human emotion and provide the comfort of a human touch. It's the empathy, the understanding, the shared human experience that makes mental health professionals so crucial. They possess the ability to connect with people on a deeply personal level, providing solace, guidance, and hope. The need for empathy and understanding means that mental health professionals will always have a place in our society. Third on our list is data analysts. Now, you might be thinking, but aren't computers already excellent at processing data? And you'd be right. However, data is more than just numbers and patterns. It's a story waiting to unfold, a narrative that requires human insight to interpret and apply. As we march into the future, the importance of data continues to grow exponentially. Businesses, governments, even individuals are increasingly relying on data to make informed decisions. But here's the catch. While artificial intelligence can crunch numbers with unmatched speed and precision, it lacks the ability to provide the context, the why behind the what. This is where data analysts step in. These are the people who can take a sea of information and not just read it, but understand it, interpret it, and translate it into actionable strategies. So remember, while AI can process data, it cannot provide the insights and strategic thinking that a human can. Fourth, we look at the role of renewable energy technicians. As we navigate the 21st century, the shift towards renewable energy sources is more than just a trend, it's a necessity. Our reliance on fossil fuels is rapidly being replaced by sustainable alternatives such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. But who's going to install and maintain all these new technologies? Enter the renewable energy technicians. These are the folks who will be climbing wind turbines, installing solar panels, and ensuring our hydroelectric plants are running smoothly. Their expertise will be crucial in helping us transition to a cleaner, greener future. Furthermore, as we continue to innovate and improve these technologies, the demand for skilled technicians in this field will only grow. This isn't a job that can be outsourced to a computer or a robot. It requires a human touch, a deep understanding of the technology, and a commitment to the environment. As we continue to strive for a more sustainable world, the demand for renewable energy technicians will only increase. Halfway through our list, we have creative professionals. Creativity is the lifeblood of many industries, from advertising and entertainment to product design and fashion. It's a realm where human ingenuity shines, where original ideas and concepts are born. This is the domain of the creative professionals. Whether they're artists crafting beautiful visuals, writers spinning compelling narratives, or designers imagining the next big trend, these individuals bring fresh and innovative perspectives to their work. They're the visionaries, the dreamers, the creators. Why is their role so crucial in a world of artificial intelligence? Well, while AI can replicate patterns and mimic established styles, it cannot truly innovate or think outside the box. It cannot feel emotions, grasp complex human experiences, or understand cultural nuances. It's in these areas that creative professionals excel. From artists to writers, creative professionals bring a unique perspective that AI cannot match. Next, we turn our attention to healthcare professionals. Imagine a world where a robot is the first to greet you in a hospital, a world where machines are performing surgeries. While technology has indeed made significant strides in the medical field, the need for a human touch in healthcare services remains paramount. Healthcare is not just about diagnosing and treating illnesses, it's about providing comfort, understanding, and compassion. It's about the reassuring smile from a nurse, the comforting voice of a doctor, and the empathetic ear of a therapist. Artificial intelligence can analyze data, but it cannot hold a patient's hand. It can predict health trends, but it cannot provide emotional support or make critical decisions based on instinct and experience. The world of healthcare is a blend of science and empathy, and that's why healthcare professionals are irreplaceable. They bring a human element to the world of medicine that no technology can replicate. Despite advancements in technology, the personal care provided by healthcare professionals cannot be replaced. As a seventh on our list are teachers and trainers. Now, some may be surprised by this. After all, we live in an age where information is just a click away. But here's the catch. Information is not the same as knowledge. Teachers and trainers are not just dispensers of information. They are guides, mentors, and motivators. They instill curiosity, encourage critical thinking, and foster a love for learning. Artificial intelligence may be able to provide the facts, but can it inspire a child to become a scientist? Can it understand a student's unique learning style and adapt to it? Can it comfort a struggling learner with empathy and patience? The answer is no. Teachers and trainers are irreplaceable. Their roles may evolve with technology, but their significance will not diminish. They are the architects of the future, shaping minds and building dreams. While AI can provide information, it cannot provide the guidance and mentorship of a teacher. Eighth, we have social workers, a profession that truly emphasizes the human touch. Social workers play a critical role in our society. They navigate complex systems and structures to advocate for individuals, families, and communities, often during times of crisis. Their work involves a deep understanding of human behavior, empathy, and an ability to connect on a personal level. Social workers are the ones who stand in the gap, providing support to those who are vulnerable, marginalized, or in need of assistance. They work in a variety of settings, from schools and hospitals to government agencies and non-profit organizations. Their roles can be varied, encompassing counseling, advocacy, crisis intervention, and policy development. Understanding the complex emotions, experiences, and needs of individuals is a skill that cannot be replicated by artificial intelligence. Their work requires a level of empathy, intuition, and emotional intelligence that is distinctly human. Social work is a field where human understanding and compassion are crucial, making it a role that AI cannot replace. Ninth on our list, we have environmental scientists. These are the unsung heroes, tirelessly working to understand the complex dynamics of our planet. As the world grapples with the realities of climate change, the demand for these specialists is growing at an unprecedented pace. Environmental scientists are at the forefront of efforts to mitigate the effects of climate change and to develop strategies for a sustainable future. Their work involves collecting and analyzing data to understand the impact of human activities on ecosystems, predicting future changes, and providing guidance for policy decisions. They are tasked with solving some of the most pressing issues of our time, from reducing greenhouse gas emissions to preserving biodiversity. Their work is not only about understanding the environment, but also about preserving it for future generations. In an era where sustainability is no longer a luxury, but a necessity, the role of environmental scientists is more critical than ever. As we continue to grapple with environmental challenges, the role of environmental scientists becomes increasingly important. Finally, we have skilled tradespeople. As we move into the future, the demand for skilled tradespeople in various industries is not only expected to persist, but also to flourish. Why, you ask? Well, the answer is simple. Many tasks performed by skilled tradespeople require a level of finesse, judgment and physical coordination that artificial intelligence cannot replicate. From construction to automotive repairs, from plumbing to electrical work, these hands-on professions demand a human touch. They require a unique blend of physical skill, problem-solving, and practical knowledge that is difficult for machines to emulate. Moreover, the tasks of tradespeople often involve unexpected challenges that require improvisational skills and on-the-spot decision-making. These are qualities that, despite the advances in artificial intelligence, are distinctly human. In essence, skilled tradespeople are not just workers. They are masters of their craft, providing essential services that keep our homes, schools, businesses, and infrastructures running smoothly. From plumbers to electricians, skilled tradespeople provide services that AI simply cannot. As we've seen, there are numerous jobs that will continue to thrive despite the rise of AI. In fields like cybersecurity, the human touch is indispensable for understanding complex threats and creating robust defenses. Mental health professionals and social workers handle delicate emotional and societal issues that demand human empathy and insight. Data analysts, renewable energy technicians, and environmental scientists are at the forefront of our modern world, driving innovation and solutions for a sustainable future. The creative spark in professionals like artists, writers, and designers is something that AI can't replicate. Teachers, trainers, healthcare professionals, and skilled tradespeople all play roles that require a unique blend of technical skill and human understanding. These are just a handful of the many roles that will continue to be in demand. The common thread: they all emphasize the irreplaceable value of human skills and understanding in a world increasingly shaped by artificial intelligence. Thank you for joining us at Investor Web, and remember to subscribe for more insights into future career and financial trends.